The iconic Honda Prelude returns, unveiling the Prelude concept. Get ready for some exciting news, ladies and gentlemen. At the Japan Mobility Show, Honda has just made a major announcement. The legendary Prelude is back, introducing the Honda Prelude concept, and it appears to be primed for production. Update: electrification in the mix. An earlier version of our story suggested that the new Honda Prelude concept was fully electric. However, we received clarification from American Honda's Senior Manager of Public Relations, Andrew Quillin, who stated on social media, and later confirmed directly with us, that this sports coupe is a hybrid, while specific details about the hybrid powertrain remain a secret for now. This hybrid twist adds an intriguing element to the Prelude's revival. The Prelude concept unveiled, a glimpse into the future. While the Prelude concept is generating significant buzz, details about this exciting car are still somewhat elusive. Honda's presentation at the Japan Mobility Show left us hungry for specifics. The Prelude reveal came right at the end of Honda's presentation, and unfortunately, it didn't include much information about the car's powertrain or other features. What we do know is that it's designed to seamlessly blend electrification with the joy of driving, setting the stage for what promises to be an enjoyable future with Honda. Despite the lack of detailed information from Honda, a closer look at the Prelude concept suggests that this vehicle isn't merely a concept car. It appears production-ready. The front end shares some resemblance with the Civic, with the most noticeable difference being the absence of an upper grille. The body's lines are sleek and symmetrical, steering clear of blocky aesthetics. Brembo brakes peek out from behind the factory-styled 20-inch wheels, instead of cameras. The car sports conventional side mirrors, and a tasteful yet prominent spoiler graces the fastback. The most concept-like feature is the fully blacked-out windows, keeping the car's interior hidden from view. Will Honda bring the Prelude concept to life? The burning question on everyone's minds is whether Honda will turn this spectacular Prelude concept into a production reality. Currently, Honda remains tight-lipped about the specific details. However, Honda's CEO, Toshihiro Mai, dropped some tantalizing hints after the Prelude's unveiling. He underscored the company's commitment to future sports models, an initiative announced in 2022, and suggested that this concept serves as a prelude in lowercase for forthcoming Honda performance vehicles. The Prelude concept, in this context, isn't the name of the car but rather a foundation for Honda's future sports cars, resurrecting a legend. The Honda Prelude's storied legacy, reviving a celebrated performance nameplate from the past, is a bold move. And Honda has chosen to bring back the Prelude, the original Prelude.